Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my discussion on leveraging AI to support improved problem solving. In the last video, we discussed the benefits of AI and how it can support aggregating data for decision making. We ended with leveraging aggregate data for visualization and decision making, which could be broken down over several years. I have seen so many postings on automating processes and losing jobs. So let's look at AI and how it supports problem solving and decision making. Data collection and relevance are important considerations for AI stakeholders and business performance. Data is used to inform decisions and to train AI. We want quality data for the best decisions. AI has diverse users and challenges. In communities of people that share information while incorporating more broadly used organizational data. Graphics processing units, or GPUs, were originally developed for images and video. They can speed up deep learning to parallel processing power. These GPUs on deep convolutional neural networks can accelerate processing. AI and decision-making benefit from these accelerated pathways. One of the challenges for AI is user trust. Users benefit from explanations of AI decision-making. An agent that could replicate human decision-making and problem-solving could explain decisions and augment personnel by sharing information which would enhance productivity and trust in AI. The concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, includes an agent with a human-like response to data. Some considerations for processing and storage of data are tied to the collaboration needs of stakeholders, the selection of relevant data, and information breaches. Self-reporting, specific data visualization needs and adaptability are important when assisting stakeholders with collaboration. AI uses the data available to perceive, reason, learn, and make decisions. AI aims to replicate human cognitive problem solving, pattern recognition, and natural language abilities. AI includes the subfields of machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision. Some familiar AI applications include self-driving cars, customer service, and smartwatches. Some lesser-known AI includes things like Boston Dynamics manufacturing robots, patient assistance robots. Some of the more common uses for AI focus on humanoid service robots and job applicant reviews. Research is lacking in the area of AI on organizations such as human resource management, where some believe those robots are reviewing your applications. Robotics has eliminated repetitive, routine, and dangerous activities. AI can augment human decision-making accurately and reduce the time needed by non-experts. The management domain finds it difficult to separate augmentation from automation. Humans and machines complement the strengths of each for mutual learning and augmentation. There's a trade-off between augmentation and automation of those same tasks. Automation lends itself to routine or dangerous tasks and no interaction, such as jobs with extreme heat or toxic fumes. Augmentation requires close interaction with technologies such as flying drones or newly automated vehicles. When management fails to recognize the distinction between automation and augmentation, it can lead to turnover, reduced productivity, reduced morale, and increased risks. We contemplated during the pandemic the challenges with organizations that tried to release mass employees and then onboard them back. Analysts reveal a more cyclical relationship between automation and augmentation. When the chain is broken, organizations don't create new practices. Innovation is a process. If we don't change what we offer the world, how can we deliver and create? We risk being overtaken by those who do. It's about survival. Bill Gates said his company was only 2 years from extinction. Andy Grove said only the paranoid survive. Replace your routine tasks that are dull, dangerous, and repetitive, such as assembly, working around toxic fumes, taking messages, or giving repetitive information. Move your people to innovative, new, or safer tasks. Humans and machine agents coexist and are interdependent. Thanks everyone for listening to my discussion on leveraging AI to support problem solving. This is a continuation of the video on leveraging data. First, we started with artificial intelligence and communities that are sharing information. Next, we talked about considerations of AI, aims of AI, how AI uses your data, user trust, and we talked about some examples of AI. Last, we looked at the relationship between automation, augmentation, and humans. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it.